If you're unable to download games or DLCs on your PlayStation 5 console, or if the download is stuck in calculating, and if you're getting errors like can't download, download failed, or something went wrong, then there's a handful of simple troubleshooting that can resolve any download related issues. So let me show you what to do when your PS5 won't download games. First, we will start by restarting our console. It's very basic but also very effective way to fix issues like this. And hopefully after that we'll be able to download our games. After the restart, if your download fails again, even though you're connected to a stable internet, then open downloads, press X on a failed download, and then press X again and select resume. Because disappointingly, when a download fails, PS5 doesn't retry it on its own. If retrying the download doesn't work and it keeps failing, or if it's stuck in calculating, then you can cancel the download, and after removing, try downloading it from the store again. If you're still having issues downloading, then go ahead and check PS5's network status. To do that, we need to open settings, go to network, go right, and then select view PlayStation network status. If your console fails to load this page, or if it loads slowly, then ensure that your console is connected to a stable network. If it's your network, then troubleshoot that first. I won't go deep into the connectivity issues in this video, but if other devices except your console works fine, then restarting your router or forgetting and reconnect to the network will probably fix this. Now after this page loads, make sure that all of these services are up and running. If you see anything marked as red, then you need to wait for it to be available again, and then your issues will also be fixed. Also, you need to make sure that your console is updated and it has enough storage. To check the update, we need to go to System, and then System Software Update and Settings. If you have the latest version, you're good to go, and next we'll check your system storage. Now go back and right below System you'll find Storage. If you see you are very low on storage, then try freeing up some space or install an extended hard drive, and then your download should go smoothly. After going through all these steps, if the issue still remains, then rebuilding database can resolve it. For that, we need to boot your PS5 in the safe mode. And to go to safe mode, first turn off your console, and when it's completely shut down, hold down the power button for about 8 seconds until you hear the second beep. This will get us into the safe mode. Then you have to connect your controller to your console using a USB cable. Press the PS button to turn it on, and we'll go to the sixth option called Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. From here, select the second option. Press OK to rebuild your console's database. After that, your console will restart, and now you shouldn't have any issues downloading games or DLCs. Hope this video helped you fix your issue. Let us know your feedback, and I'll see you in the next one.